Hey guys, so let's give me a easy peasy blowout at home. So I got myself one of these TYMO thermal brushes, and this is how it looks. It's a 1.7-inch brush, and I'm gonna start off by using some of my Matrix Sleek oil to put onto my hair. So I'm gonna put that on. It's a heat protectant and it keeps your hair non-frizzy for about 96 hours is what it promises. And it's a really good top coat. So I'm gonna put that on there first, and it's definitely a thermal protectant as well. And then I'm gonna part my hair down the center. I pretty much stuck in the middle part, but here we are. So I'm gonna part it down the center, and then I'm gonna get it sectioned off like half and half. And then I'm gonna go through and perfect my parts, and then I'm gonna clip this hair up and out of the way. So I'm gonna clip this hair up, and then I'm gonna leave a section down in the back because that's where we're gonna start. So I'm gonna twist this hair up into like a little Zulu knot, and then I'm just gonna clip it with my duckbill clip, and then I'm gonna mirror the other side. So as I do that, I'm gonna make sure in the back I take about a 1-inch subsection, because you don't wanna work with a huge section because you wanna make sure that you're able to get your roots straight. So I'm gonna do the same thing and twist this hair up. All right, so I turned the brush up to 395 because this is high as it go, and I'm having flat iron my hair, so I'm trying to get it as straight as possible with this brush. So it has nylon bristles. So this is me at my first attempt. I'm rolling it, and then I want to make sure that I get the entire strand of hair in it. You don't want to leave the ends out, but I want to get close to my roots to get it straight. And you can see the steam, and there we go. So as you can see, it's creating body and it's not bringing it straight down, which I love. So I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. I'm gonna roll it up. It didn't burn me or anything. I can get close to my roots with this. I'm gonna hold it for maximum heat, and then I'm gonna continue to roll it and stretch it as much as possible, and then boom. I'm gonna try to make it go in the direction that I want it to go in. So then I'm gonna take my comb. Remember, we're gonna take a small parting section to make sure that we're able to get to the roots. You don't wanna do too big of a section because remember, we haven't flat ironed our hair, so we wanna get it as straight as possible. We're gonna clip that other hair out of the way, and we're gonna repeat this step as well. So you definitely wanna get it close to the root, try to lift up on it a little bit, and then continue to roll until you can't roll no more. You wanna continue to roll and get it straight, and then you're going to hold it like we talked about, and then hold it right there by the root to get it hot and make sure it holds the curl in, and boom, we got body. So I'm just gonna continue this around the head, and as you can see, I'm trying to create volume, so I'm lifting up on the hair to create that volume right there. And I'm creating volume because I want body. I don't want a flat silk press. I want body today. So I'm just gonna roll up on it. And as you can see, it's creating body all the way around. So in some sections, I went back and did it twice just because I wanted to create some maximum body. So I absolutely love how this works. It didn't burn me. I was getting excited because I knew it was gonna eat. And then I went back and rolled the ends because you definitely want to make sure you get the ends in it as well. And I could see the vision at this point. So by the time I got to the top, I definitely was able to go a lot faster. It was just definitely an easy peasy process. I'm like, okay, I'm about to be cute. I took my wide tooth comb. I combed through my hair, and boom, body for days, okay? I love this thermal brush. It's so cute, and this is how it came out when everything was styled and I sprayed it down. I loved it. This is the back. Love the whole thing. This took me about 30 minutes to do. I was filming, so it may have taken a little longer, but you definitely want to get you one of these TYMO brushes today. And I'm going to link my link down below, because if you use my link, you can get 20% off, and you can do you an easy peasy blowout at home as well and be looking cute, girl. Get you one today.